We are going to go over the technical requirements for the machine that you're going to use for this course when you follow this course. You're going to need to have a Windows, macOS, or Linux machine. The important thing is that your machine is capable of running Docker, so it needs to have the appropriate virtualization capabilities in order to run Docker on your machine. You're also going to need a GitHub account. And finally, if you're using Windows, then you're going to need to install the Chocolatey package manager that will enable us to install various different packages that we are going to need for the course. Chocolatey is a powerful package manager for Windows, kind of like apt for Ubuntu or brew for macOS. It helps you install, upgrade, and manage software easily from the command line.